Alright guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. So I got a 2018 Evoque here, doing the purge valve. I'm not quite sure what kind of code the guy has on his vehicle, but this is what it looks like. So I got the tire jacked up, and as you guys can see, there's a couple of Torx bolts, 1, 2, 3, I think, holding the valve in, and another bolt right here, as you guys can see, that's holding in. Looking at the valve here, you got 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 2. This is the plug. And I think the way it is the torque bolt is actually holding this in. You gotta unplug it, and once you get that off, you should be able to take these clamps out pretty easily. The switch is right there. All right, so I'm gonna go in, because I think this is just for the bracket. It's probably easy if you take the bracket off, but to be honest with you, the bracket is held. This is the whole entire bracket right here. It goes all the way to the back, and I think I'm just gonna take this off, and it should just come, the 3 Torx. I'm gonna do that, and that should just work out better than just taking that off. All right guys, so 3 screws, the Torx. So we got this going on here. All right, you got this clamp, and then the other is held on by this. I gotta tell you, if you're gonna get this, you're gonna change it out, you probably should change this out. This is probably the important part. Unfortunately, the guy didn't get that part, he just got this part. So, but once you get the clamp off, this thing should be just good to go.